In this video, I'm going to show you how we can easily see Wi-Fi password on an iPhone running iOS 18. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. Here at the top, we have this option. On my device, it is called WLAN. However, on your device it may be called Wi-Fi, so we need to get into that option first. And here at the top it displays us the current network, the network which I am currently connected to. And now if we want to know that network's password, then first off we need to tap right here at this I button. And on the next step here we can check that password. As you can see, currently it is hidden. However, to reveal it, you just need to tap at these dots once. It will scan your face, and after that it will reveal that password. Here it is. And now we can hit right here to copy it to the clipboard. If you want to know the password for a network you are not currently connected to but have been connected to before, then you need to go right here back to Wi-Fi settings and then tap right here where it says Edit. And what that will do, that will show you all the networks you've been connected to and which data is saved here. And after that, to check any network's password, you need just to tap right here at the I button next to the network, and then in the same way hit right here to reveal that password. Basically, guys, that's how it can be easily done. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.